It's Phil Beckwith, the professional painter and decorator, back with a Christmas special. You know I'm a font of all knowledge of everything, walking encyclopedia of the chosen specialised subject, probably the bleeding obvious. Let's have a joke. Knock knock. Who's there? Doctor. Doctor who? Ha! Just said it. Hey. We've done all them, haven't we? Right. Back with you. Christmas. How are you going to cook your turkey? I'm going to tell you how you're going to cook your turkey. You're going to try the Phil Beckwith, the professional painter and decorator way of cooking a turkey. And that's on a barbecue. And you know, we're not in Australia. We're in the UK. It's freezing. It feels freezing. There's no snow on the ground. I've got my snow machine set up. Friends coming later. Top corner there, snow machine. Got everything. Kids. Hey. But no, let's talk about cooking a turkey. I've got the barbecue out and I'm going to show you how I do it. It's going to be slow and low. If you've never heard of slow and low, that's slow, takes hours, and on a low heat. So I'm going to show you what we've got on this barbecue, and you might fancy trying it next year. So see you in a second. Bye. So back with you. Let's have a look inside this barbecue. I've got it all set up, ready for Christmas Day morning, and this is how I do it. It's a Weber barbecue, by the way. Can't beat a Weber. Right, just put the lid there. I'm going to flip you over. Right, here we go. You're going to laugh at me. You're going to say, Phil, what have you done? What have you done? Right, this is called a snake. Now if you see what I've done, I've got about two good double layers of coals going all the way around my barbecue. Now I've got my little firelighters at the end. I've layered it one across the bottom and one across the top, and then a few odds and sods around. Now you're going to laugh at me. You're going to say, Phil, that's never going to cook a turkey. This, let me tell you, this does cook a turkey. Now if I start this fire just here, obviously the conduction of the coals burning, these are briquette coals. These are just from, oh are they? Barbecue briquette coals. They're probably from B&M or somewhere like that. It doesn't have to be anything posh. So what I do, lay them all around. You start the fire there, they all start burning, going red, and the conduction of the heat snakes, so it goes from that one to that one. It's a bit like the domino effect, and this going all the way around, I could probably get this burning for about a good 10 hours. Now the turkey that I'm going to do, when you put the, that goes on, put the grill on, so you start it off, get it burning there, goes all the way around. Now the turkey goes in the middle, so you don't put it straight over, and the idea is you're cooking by, like in an oven, slow and low. So the heat will go all the way around, the smoking, the burning, the heat will cook your turkey. Now you're going to say, Phil, what sort of turkey have you got? Well, I don't do bone, I don't do brown meat, it's got to be a turkey breast. I like breast. So this is what we've got. Spring Lane Farm Shop in Nottingham, turkey breast, boned and rolled. So this is dead easy for me to cook and cut. So this goes in the tray, obviously not in the wrapper. I take that all out. You put it in the tray. That goes in the middle of the barbecue there. Let's lift it up and see if I can do this. Oh, one-handed again. So that goes in the middle like that. I'll probably put, for the first few hours, I'll put some foil over it just to keep the heat in. And this, depending on your size of your turkey, I'd expect this to be about ready about 1 o'clock if I start the barbecue about 7:30 in the morning. So if you look at 5.5 hours low temperature for a long period of time, that'll be beautiful. The juices will run into the tray. The foil over the top will keep heating as well. And what I do, I've got, you know, these whiskey, I've soaked these are whiskey smoking woods. Now I'll sprinkle some of those in between, soak them for about half an hour, sprinkle them into your coals, and as the coals burn along, that will smoke, and you'll get a lovely rich smoke taste to the turkey. Obviously it's up to you whether you put any bacon over the top. I'll put some bacon over the top of that, and it'll be tasting beautiful. People eat the bacon even without it goes crispy. I'm not too keen on crispy bacon like that, so probably the kids like it, an American thing. But going back to cooking this, start it there, burns all the way around, and that'll be ready. Now you're going to ask me what temperatures. Right, when the lid's on, if you got a Weber, keep the air vent at the bottom fully open and regulate your heat by the top. Now you don't want it fully open there because that's going to burn too quick. Probably do it halfway and see how you go. Now I've got a magnetic temperature gauge on here. Now the optimum burn, if I was doing barbecuing, you'd be round the red, see that, but because this is slow and low, I want to be at the lower side for longer, so around about the 300 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 150, between about 150 190. It'd be nice on your centigrade, but this is slow and low. You'll keep your eye on the barbecue, take the lid off, keep an eye on what the turkey's doing. You'll know when the turkey's ready when you can put a metal skewer into it, and all the juices, let's move that over there, and all the juices run clear. If you've got one of those metal probes that you can stick the metal probe in, and it tells you the temperature, the ideal temperature in the middle. Is it 70, 80 degrees? I'm not sure off the top of my head, you just have to check in your cookery book. But no, this is how the feedback with the professional painter and decorator, and I know I'm giving you more knowledge than you need on certain things, and barbecuing's one of the things that I do like doing, and I do quite, well, blow my own trumpet, yeah, I do quite like doing barbecuing. Nobody should be ill by a Phil Beckwith barbecue. But no, coals burn there slowly all the way around, and I'd say by about lunchtime they'll be burning there, and you'll still keep the heat. If you feel you need to add any more coals, you can do, but that 2 layer with a third on the top, double all the way around, should be plenty. And also the heat in there, it is like working in an oven in your own kitchen. So yeah, is that a quick video on how to do a turkey? That'll be beautiful. I don't think there's anything else to say. So enjoy Christmas, and if you fancy doing a barbecue turkey next year, just review this video and follow it as I've done, because all you're doing is layering, and when I mean layering, just make sure that they're touching each other, the barbecue coals, that's all you need, and we're done and dusted. So enjoy Christmas, enjoy turkey, and it frees up a bit of room in your oven for doing Yorkshire puds. You can do Yorkshire pudding on a barbecue as well, but that's another video. So over and out, cheerio, bye bye.